Welcome students of class 12th commerce in our accountancy syllabus for class 12th. Today my topic is to discuss difference between revaluation account and realization account. It is in chapter dissolution of a firm. Dear students, a realization account is prepared at the time of dissolution of a firm for the purpose of disposal of the firm's asset and payment of the liabilities of the firm. It is a normal account prepared to determine the profit earned or losses incurred on dissolution of a firm. In this account, all recorded assets, that is, the asset which were appearing in the balance sheet, including intangible assets like goodwill, patents, etc., debit balance of partners, capital or current account, cash and bank balance and loans, and to be all outsiders recorded liabilities are to be transferred at their book values. Dear students, a revaluation account is prepared to record the effect of revaluation of asset and liabilities, whereas a realization account is prepared for a realization of asset and settlement of liabilities. This is the first difference between a revaluation account and realization account. The second difference between the two is that a revaluation account is prepared to show asset and liabilities in the books at their revised value after adjustment, whereas a realization account is prepared to ascertain profit or loss on sale of assets and repayment of liabilities. One more difference between the two revaluation account and realization account is that revaluation account is to record those assets and liabilities whose book value have been changed. Understood? And whereas this realization account it records all the assets except cash or fictitious assets and outside liabilities. And one more difference between revaluation account and realization account is that this revaluation account is prepared at the time of admission, retirement, and death of a partner, whereas realization account is prepared on dissolution of a firm. This is the big difference between a revaluation account and realization account. One more difference between revaluation account and realization account is that this revaluation account may be prepared several times during the life of the firm, whereas realization account is prepared just once during the lifetime of the firm, that is on the dissolution of firm, when the firm is to break. And one more difference between realization account and this revaluation and realization account is that this revaluation account is a firm continues its business even after preparation of this revaluation account, whereas after preparation of realization account, firm comes to an end. This is also a big difference between the two accounts, revaluation account and realization account. So we understood that revaluation in a revaluation account, a firm continues its business even after preparation of this account, whereas after preparation of realization account, firm comes to an end because this account is to be made on dissolution of firm, when the firm comes to an end. And dissolution of firm, you know already that it leads to a complete breakdown of the relationship between all the partners. And in short, we can say that dissolution of firm means the firm comes to an end, and this realization account is the last account made on dissolution of firm. Dear students, this was all about the difference between a revaluation account and realization account, which is in your chapter dissolution of a firm. Inshallah, tomorrow I will be back with the next topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.